Nag-video ako, tas ayan. Pero maganda to. Tingnan mo to, maganda to. Ito, magandang collection.
Lahat ng maganda eh. Parang pangit din.
Sino ang pangit? Ako lang.
Parang mahal.
Ito mga luma-lumang ano. Maganda kasi ito eh. Ito yung maganda oh. Minsan nilalaro namin ni Joy. Anong ano to pa? Anong materials ginamit dito?
Marmol yan.
Okay. My shoes. Tingnan mo daw magkano. Teka lang. Ito yung magandang ano. Pero yung iba kasi ano eh. Sobra naman tong hikaw na to. Ayan, sobrang laki. Asan ka magbibili? Not mahal? Or the price now is a little bit higher? Become mura today?
Yeah, mura today.
I don't think it's too much big.
No, this nice, this one.
This is a new design for the no more Paco. Not really. Yeah, I know. That Paco there, how much? Like that one there, Kuya. It's 18K, right? No, 18. There.
This one? It's like 6 and 500.
Same, but it's Paco, right? Like
not
this.
Paco. It's like this.
Like that. Okay.